student, myself Neetu Kumari, I am your bio teacher and this is the chapter of class 10th, Heredity and Evolution. We have already done 3 related video of this chapter. In this video, we will discuss and talk about dihybrid cross. In the last video, we had done the monohybrid cross. Let's see what happened in dihybrid cross. In the a cross between two plants having two pair of contrasting character is called dihybrid cross. Contrasting, it means chamkila. When two contrasting pairs is come together, then result is what happening. Let's see. Parents, round and wrinkle. Parent, it means generation, and round means a green seed. It's crossing over with yellow seed, and this is the result. What happened in this result? Gametes. The two gametes is tall and 2 is dwarf, and when 2 is small and 2 is dwarf, the result is 1 is tall, 1 is dwarf, and 1 is tall and 1 is dwarf. This is the rounded yellow. In the F1 generation, selfing F1 generation is the result is here, and gametes are also show that result what happening in F1 generation. And when F1, the small F1 generation is crossing with large F1 generation, the result is here. You can see this. In the F1 gametes come with male. This is the sign of female. And this is male. When this both gametes is crossing over with each other, let's see. When this is crossing with this each other, the result is this. This is the result with crossing over. In the first generation, we can see that the all gametes is tall. In the next one, the 3 pair are tall and 1 is dwarf. In the third generation, the 1 pair is tall, 1 is short, 1 is also short, and last one is tall. And the last pair is 1 is tall, 1 is short, 1 is tall, and 1 is short. This rule is also applied in the human beings. And you can see this, the related also generation is come with each other, and the results are here. In the dihybrid cross, we are observed. Let's see the observation when the tall gametes and short gametes was crossed with short gametes. In the F1 generation, all were a tall and short is come together and combined rounded and yellow seeds. In the second one is self-pollination of F1 plants give parental. When the self-pollination, you can also understand what is self-pollination. When the self-pollination is happening, the phenotypic and 2 mixtures recombines round yellow and wrinkle green. Seeds plants in the ratio of. In the ratio, the remembering point is this ratio. 9:3:3:1. This is the dihybrid crossing ratio. In the monohybrid crossing ratio, we have learned the ratio is 1:2:1. This is the monohybrid ratio. In the phenotypic ratio, let's see, when round and yellow are come together and crossing over, the ratio is 9. It means 9 gametes are tall, round are crossing over green, the 3 are tall and all are small. Wrinkle and yellow are crossing over, the 3 are tall and all are short. Wrinkle and green are crossing over, the 1 is tall and another one is short. This is the dihybrid pollination, dihybrid cross. In the next video, we will talk about this observation and this conclusion. And your work is to remembering these important points and important facts to related this dihybrid cross. Thank you.